In this video, we'll go over the budgeting by class feature using Budgets Pro in Reach reporting. To get started, click on the Budgets section in the left menu, and then select Create New. Next, choose the statements you want to budget for and ensure your main bank account is selected. Enable the Subdivide by class or department option, which allows you to choose whether to subdivide the budget by class or department. After selecting this option, you can pick the specific classes or departments to include. Once your subdivision settings are in place, set the budget range and prefill the budget if desired. Finally, name the budget and click Create. The creation process may take a bit longer depending on how many classes you've included. Once the budget is created, you'll see a funnel icon next to it, indicating that it's a subdivided budget. Open the budget to explore additional features. When the budget opens, the settings panel will appear automatically, allowing you to adjust more detailed settings. Most options should look familiar. Keep in mind that subdivided budgets cannot be converted into normal budgets, and normal budgets cannot be converted into subdivided budgets. However, you can manage the classes or departments used in the budget by navigating to the subdivided section and making changes there. Another key difference with subdivided budgets is the drop-down menu next to the Profit and Loss tab. This lets you switch between the classes or departments included in the budget. Note that the Profit and Loss total view is read-only and aggregates data from all subdivisions. Other tabs, such as the Balance Sheet and Cash Flow, function the same as in normal budgets, with one shared view. The data sheet also has a single shared view for the entire budget. You can drill down into specific classes or departments using the drop-down. If you prefill budget data, the reference column and other data will be filtered by the selected class. You'll also notice an unspecified option in the drop-down, which displays data for the total minus the sum of the selected classes. This handles unclassed data similarly to how other bookkeeping software works and also includes data for classes or departments not included in the subdivided budget. When you add budget data to individual classes or departments, these changes are reflected in the total view. For example, if you add 100 to an account in one class, the total view will also reflect that 100. When using row drivers with subdivided data, each row driver is tied to the individual subdivision. This allows you to use specific drivers for selected classes or different drivers for the same account across classes. However, features like row structure and comments are applied across the entire budget. For instance, collapsing rows, deleting rows, or adding comments will affect all subdivisions. These features make it easier to manage subdivided budgets. When building statements or metrics, a funnel icon will appear above the column, similar to how it does for actual data with classes, or budgets by class from Xero or QuickBooks Online. These filters work the same way and can also be applied to rows. Additionally, these features flow through to consolidations if you're working with consolidated companies. If you have any questions about budgeting by class with Budgets Pro, feel free to send us a chat.